Welcome back to JKM Tech and Hustle. This is Vanessa. In today's video, I'll show you how to view email threads in Zoho Mail and fix those empty email conversations. The reason the email thread is empty or no emails are showing is that you need to add the contact person link to the order. Once the contact person is added, the email thread will appear. So if you check on the emails, it's empty. So what you need to do is go to contact rules and then add the contact rules, and that will fix the problem. Let me show you how to fix this. First, you go to the sales order tab, click on the sales order tab, and then click to the order or product that you want to open. This will open you to the order dashboard. Now click on emails. And then if you cannot see any emails or the email thread is empty, as you can see, there's nothing on it. Here's the fix. You need to add the contact person's link to the order so that the email thread will appear. When you click on the product, this will take you to jobs. As you can see, we're already here on the jobs tab. And then you go to contact rules. Click on contact rules or scroll it down and then add contact rules. Once you're in this tab, you click on add more contact. So let's click on the save contacts first and see if it's there. So click on this and then add new contact. Click on this add new contact, and then let's try to search first if the related contact we're trying to view the email thread is already existing or already saved. So for example, let's type Victoria here and then click on search. First click on the save contacts and see if the person we're trying to add is already saved or existing in the rules, contact rules, and then click on search on the name. If the name doesn't appear when you search it, no contacts is related showing the person you're trying to search, then that's when you click on new contact. For example, we click on Victoria and there's no Victoria contact would appear, then our other option is to really add the new contact. Once you're in this tab, you need to fill up and enter all the details, contact information. That's the first name, last name, account name, email, and then phone number, and then you click on save and associate. Then that should do the trick. You can now view it. After we save the client's contact information, let's check and see if the email thread is already shown. So let's go ahead and click on emails, but you see it's still empty. What you need to do is click on emails associated with the related contact and then click on Victoria, and you see it, there it is. You can now view the email thread. That's how you fix empty or missing email threads in Zoho Mail. Just add the contact person link to the order and the email thread should appear. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.